Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create unlimited Gmail accounts step by step, all from your desktop in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. At the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Add Another Account. This is where you begin setting up a new Gmail account. Once you click it, you'll land on this Google sign-in page. Look just below the login fields and click Create Account. Now, choose for my personal use. This option is best for everyday email needs. You'll now be taken to the account creation form. Go ahead and enter your first and last name, pick a new Gmail address and set a strong password. Make sure the password is secure and meet Google's recommendation. Click Next and follow the instructions. Google may ask you for a phone number or recovery email to keep your account secure and easy to recover. Once done, your new Gmail account will be ready. To create more, just repeat the same process. There is no limit to how many accounts you can make as long as you verify them properly. And that's it, guys. You have now learned how to create unlimited Gmail account with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.